This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play Love Story on the trumpet. First, make sure your instrument is ready to go, clean, and assembled. A quick warm-up is essential. Spend about 5 minutes on long tones and lip slurs to prepare your embouchure. This will help you achieve a clear, resonant sound right from the start. We will then dive into the specific notes and techniques needed for this beautiful melody. Love Story is commonly arranged in the key of D major for trumpet, which means you'll encounter F sharp and C sharp. The core melody primarily uses notes like F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D, and E. Spend some time practicing the D major scale and its arpeggios. This will build your muscle memory and help you navigate the tune smoothly, ensuring accurate pitch and confident execution. To truly capture the emotion of Love Story, focus on legato articulation. This means connecting your notes smoothly, creating a flowing, vocal-like quality. Vary your dynamics, play the verses with a softer, more intimate tone, and build to a fuller, richer sound for the choruses. Consistent, deep breath support is crucial for sustaining those beautiful, long phrases without running out of air. For effective practice, always start slowly with a metronome. This builds solid rhythmic accuracy before you increase the tempo. Recording yourself is an invaluable tool. Listen back critically to pinpoint any areas that need more attention, like intonation or phrasing. Finally, break the song into smaller, manageable sections. Master each part individually before putting the entire piece together for a polished performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.